DalaWux is a collaboration between adult learning in 15 municipalities in the county of Dalarna of central Sweden. DalaWux is since 2009 a non-profit organization that is financed by each municipality in Dalarna. The organization consists of the headmasters for adult learning in the 15 municipalities, and the political governance is on municipal level. The mission for DalaWux is to develop adult learning into a key player on the regional arena for competence, provisioning by identifying and satisfying the labor market's need for competence, using the public resources more effectively, and contribute to increased accessibility and equal opportunity for adult learning within the region. DalaWux, competence and knowledge for the future. About the project DalaWux Flexible Learning. The project has during 2015 and 2016 been focusing on competence development for teachers and headmasters in the field of blended learning and flipped classroom. The project's purpose is to increase accessibility for adults with ADHD and autism Asperger's syndrome within municipal adult learning in Dalarna. We want to create a transformed way of working in adult learning. One key component is the peer learning between teachers and between schools, where we share and disseminate our methods and our results. One of our project's key success factors is the team and its members. The team consists of a project manager, an ICT developer, an evaluator, a special pedagogue, and a researcher. Together we can work hands-on with flexible learning based on research and best practice. To be able to follow up on the students' development during the project, we created specific indicators of NPD, neuropsychiatric disabilities, specifically for ADHD, autism, and Asperger's syndrome. Each indicator is a challenge that is found in these students, regardless if they have a specific diagnosis. The strength with using these indicators is that the teachers easier can understand the students' learning challenges and can implement a specific learning program to handle these challenges. The indicators are lack of concentration, lack of attention, restlessness, difficulties in communicating, difficulties collaborating, difficulties with group work, difficulties with unclear instructions, difficulties with only written instructions. Are neuropsychiatric disabilities common among adults? We created a survey within the project focusing on the students' learning and the challenges in learning. Our survey results from 2015 with adult students showed us that every other student had difficulties concentrating, had difficulties with attention, had difficulties with only written instructions. Every fourth student was restless and had difficulties in focusing on the work, had difficulties communicating with other students, had difficulties collaborating with other students. Based on some project challenges during the first year, we put extra focus on specific areas for the second year. We increased focus on dissemination and anchoring in each school. We made visits in each municipal adult learning center with a presentation of our project and its results, and started a discussion about flexible learning and accessibility in each center. We created practical learning materials and guides checklists for the teachers. We increased focus on peer learning. We added a researcher to the project with a focus on distance learning and blended learning. We adapted our project between year 1 and year 2. This was based on some challenges that our teachers experienced. Challenge. It takes time to get started. The teacher needs to get from competence development in flexible learning to practical use in the teacher's classroom. Solution. Increased depth in the competence development to create a firmer foundation for the teacher's knowledge. Challenge. The teacher felt it was difficult to disseminate the knowledge to the colleagues. Solution. We created easy-to-use, hands-on working material for the teachers. Challenge. To get active participation in the project from the headmasters. Solution. A roadshow where we visited each adult learning center in Dalarna to inform and to discuss these issues. Challenge. Need of increased knowledge about NPD. Solution. More support and workshops with a special pedagogue. Challenge. To choose the right tool and solution. Solution. Creating different learning examples with suggested solutions for each challenge. We have created 4 examples of different learning situations with different challenges for the student and with different suggested learning processes. In this link we demonstrate the student Eric's own digital classroom with his personalized task. In this specific example, the classroom is created in Google Sites. In Erik's digital classroom, we have created a learning environment for his specific needs. We have clear information about deadline for the assignment. The assignment is based around Erik's special interest, electric guitars, to get him engaged in the assignment. We have a clear purpose and goal with the assignment. We present the assignment step by step. Erik can use audio files and written text to learn about the assignment, and is encouraged to explore the assignment and learn even more about electric guitars. What do teachers need to know about technology? They need basic knowledge and understanding of working with shared documents, creating accessible working material, use cloud services, create and use video, create and use audio, create and use classroom blogs, use computers, smartphones, tablets, etc. And finally, there is a lot of useful material on our project blog to be found, like instruction videos, videos about the project evaluation report, and much more. We have also created an ebook free to download on iBook Store. You are more than welcome to use and reuse all of our material. Thank you for listening.